In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively track your rides and expenses, use this information for accurate income reporting, and prepare for tax season with greater ease. Whether you're a rideshare driver or using your vehicle for other gig work, it's crucial to get a handle on this process to ensure you're not just organized but also maximizing your deductions and filing accurately. First, let's delve into tracking your rides as income. Every ride you complete brings in revenue, and keeping detailed records of this is essential. Start with a digital spreadsheet or a specialized app designed to monitor your driving activities. Log the date, start and end times, the distance traveled, and the fare received for each ride. Don't overlook tips or bonuses, as these also count towards your income. Keeping such meticulous records will not only give you a clear picture of your actual earnings over time, but also help in identifying patterns in your work. This kind of data is invaluable when it comes to financial planning or expanding your gig work in the future. Once we have our income neatly tracked, the next step is recording expenses. This is equally important as knowing how much is coming in. You'll want to identify every necessary expenditure you incur in the process of earning your income. Common vehicle-related expenses include gas, maintenance, and even car washes. Just as with your income, use a digital tracking method to note each expense down. Whenever you fill up your tank, purchase a new set of tires, or do a routine oil change, save the receipts and add these onto your record along with the date, type of expense, and amount. This comprehensive logging is crucial because it allows you to see where your money goes and will be a savior come tax time when you're trying to deduct business expenses. Finally, let's talk about using reports for tax preparation. Once you have your income and expense documentation organized and up to date, generating reports from this data becomes simple yet insightful. Many tracking apps offer features that compile your data into readable reports. These reports are not just about numbers, they tell the story of your financial year. They will reveal both your gross and net income and highlight deductible expenses, making them indispensable when preparing taxes. These reports provide a blueprint for you or your accountant to follow during the tax season, ensuring the process is efficient and accurate. With everything systematically organized and thoroughly documented, you'll position yourself to take advantage of possible tax deductions, potentially saving significant amounts of money. As you establish these habits, you'll find that tracking income and expenses not only makes tax preparation smoother, but also provides peace of mind throughout the year. Armed with this knowledge, your financial health and well-being in managing these rideshare activities will undoubtedly improve.